Bonnie, happy Thursday. I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have been to Trader Joe's again today. That is my new favorite spot right now for the holidays. I am buying food. I am buying body care. I am buying everything. They have a lot of really good gluten-free stuff. They're gluten-free pumpkin muffins. Yeah, they are amazing. So check it out. Look what I got today. I'm so excited to show you guys my haul. You seriously need to head over to Trader Joe's. So the first thing I got, this is actually a Christmas gift for my daughter. It's the moisturizing lip balm set, and I'm just gonna smell one of these. She won't care if I do a little preview. I just want to smell a couple of these. Look at these. These are so cute. Strawberry guava. Oh, that smells good. I like these. These are really nice lip balms. I gotta say, I might not even keep this till Christmas. I might just give her this now. Peaches and cream. I don't like peaches and cream. You know what I mean? Peaches. What are the other ones in here? I just gotta take these all out. I gotta find out what they are. This is so exciting. Island coconut. Cucumber mint. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's not bad. I don't mind the cucumber. It's the melon I don't like. Vanilla bean. Oh, vanilla bean smells really good. Let's see. Strawberry guava, peaches and cream, and mango. I'm not a fan of mango. That's cucumber melon. It's not cucumber mango I don't like, although I don't like mango either. But there's a lot of these I like. So this is a super cute set. You know what? I should have brought my receipt over here so I could tell you what prices were on these. Nothing was very expensive, I gotta say. This makes a great gift. I love it. I don't have my receipt. I want to say it was maybe like $7.99. I don't know. Check it out. I got my hands on the hot cocoa scented whipped body scrub that everyone is talking about. I cannot wait to smell this. I waited until I was on camera with you guys to smell it. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like hot chocolate. Look at this. This is a really neat formula. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like, look at how hard this is. It's like, I expected it to be squishier. It's like a scrub though. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells exactly like hot chocolate. Gotta say, you know, Bath and Body Works, they did not do the hot cocoa and cream so far this year. This is looking good. I'm impressed. Okay, so we have the hot cocoa whipped body scrub. Next up, check it out. The candy cane shimmering body butter. Not just body butter. This is the shimmering stuff. Why can't I get the packaging off? Come on. I need scissors or something. Okay. Okay. Oops, got it. Oh! I took off. I guess the packaging just comes off. I didn't realize it came off the side. Okay. You ready? You ready? I'm ready. Oh, wait. You don't have to do that. Oh, look. It opens up. Look at that. Okay, this makes more sense. Oh my gosh. This smells really good. It's different a little bit than Twisted Peppermint, but pretty close. I would say it's like a sibling to Twisted Peppermint from Bath and Body Works, but oh my god, oh, look at it's like a little marshmallow in there. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Put a little of this on. Oh, that feels good. Okay. I'm liking it. I like their body butter, I gotta say. Oh, that smells so good. I want to say these were $6.99 each. Not a bad price. Not a bad price at all. Check it out. I got the chocolate croissant scented candle. Help if I take the lid off. I smelled this already. It does. It smells like a chocolate croissant. I actually, by the way, have the Goose Creek world's best cup of coffee burning right now, but I'm gonna light this up. This is a really tiny wick, I gotta say. You know what? My LED lighter here is almost out of I don't know if I can light it. I need to charge this thing. I almost got it. Oh, come on. Oh, I think I got it. No, almost. Come on. I need to charge my lighter. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. Check it out. A little teeny flame going on there. I'm going to let this kind of go on my desk. I don't know if it's going to be strong. It smells amazing cold. And it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $3.99. Good price. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a total win. Check it out. I want to review this whole thing. So last summer, I really got on board with the Brazil Nut Body Trio. This smells amazing. And I know a lot of people, the Brazil Nut Body Butter and the body wash. They don't have the body wash, but I know a lot of you love this Brazil nut scent. And what you get is the body butter, you get a body mist, and you get a body oil. I mean, seriously, this stuff smells amazing. It's got like a pistachio. What is it? It's pistachio. It's a pistachio almond, but this is worth it. This was $12.99. I really love this scent. I actually used almost all my body wash because I go back and forth between all different body washes, but this is really good. So you get that. You get the body oil, which has got squalene and I can't even read this, something extract. But the oil, and then you get this little body butter. They were selling the big tubs of the body butter last year, like that size. But if you're really into the body butter, I would seriously consider getting some of these, because I don't know when this is going to be back. But yeah, this is cool. I like the little tin too. So yes, if you like the Brazil nut set, I would seriously consider getting this. So let me put that one back. I'm not gifting this, by the way. This is mine. I don't know what I'm not gifting anything. I keep saying I'm buying things, and I'm like, no, that's mine. I also bought a second 12 Days of Beauty because I do want to gift one of these. So this is cool. I need to open this because it's got like the Brazil nut hair mask. Yeah, I'm like, I didn't even realize what was in this. I gotta open this up on camera. Gingerbread cookie moisturizing lip balm, brown sugar carob lip scrub. There's a lot of really cake batter, scented body butter. I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta do this like tomorrow. 12 Days of Beauty. I will get on this because this is like some really cool stuff. But like I said, I don't know. There's something about Trader Joe's this year. I love Trader Joe's. I go there all the time, but lately I've just been really I've been doing all my grocery shopping there. So I'm liking this candle. Super cute. We'll see if it has any scent to it. And I think I'm just going to sit here for like the next 10 minutes and go back and forth between the hot cocoa body scrub and the candy cane body butter. Yeah, head over to Trader Joe's because this stuff, I don't think it's going to last. This is going to be sold out once people get word that this is out there. So anyway, yay! Let me know if you've gotten it yet. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.